The Pokemon Go craze has caused a car crash as a result of the worldwide obsession. The Porsche 918 Spyder is being recalled for something very minor but very important. And I have found the luckiest car cameraman of all time. You'll see why. All that and more coming up right now on This Week in Cars. Hello, car lovers worldwide, and welcome to This Week in Cars. There's some epic content coming this week, so stay tuned. Ever since the release of the app called Pokemon Go, people have not been able to take their eyes off of their smartphones as they traverse their cities, scouring the streets for virtual Pokemon. For some, however, the app has not been all fun and games, and an upstate New York driver found out the hard way that playing Pokemon Go while driving is an awful idea. A 28-year-old man reportedly crashed into a tree in Auburn, New York while engaged in playing Pokemon Go. Police say that the driver did admit to playing the game at the time of the crash, and they also confirmed that this is not a fake story. On the other hand, there was a fake story released just a few days earlier that claimed that a man stopped in the middle of a highway in Massachusetts in order to catch a Pikachu and he caused a massive highway crash, but this has already been deemed to be a hoax. Despite that, Pokemon Go has been bringing out a lot of interesting news in the past week, such as the girl in Wyoming who was searching for Pokemon and actually found a dead body, along with thieves using the app to locate and rob people while they're engaged in playing. If you have chosen to play Pokemon Go out there, then just make sure to always play with your wits about you, and make sure to never put the game above your own safety. On the subject of car crashes, not one but two Lamborghini Aventadors have gotten a bit banged up this week, with one of them being a brand new Lamborghini Aventador SV Coupe. This orange SV, which is soon to be up for sale at Amari Supercars in England, was apparently being driven by a photographer for Amari, but then while the photographer was moving the car into a different position for the shoot, it lurched forward, driving straight through the dealership window and hitting two Ferraris on its way in. This photographer must not be too experienced with driving supercars, and hopefully the damage is minor enough that it can be fixed relatively easily. The other Aventador crash was this silver LP700-4 on the M6 motorway in England as well, and the cause of this crash was reportedly wet and slippery driving conditions after it had just rained. Similar to the Murcielago driver in last week's video, just because you have an all-wheel drive car with more traction does not necessarily mean you have more grip when driving in wet conditions. The McLaren P1 has been recalled before, the Bugatti Veyron has been recalled before, but now it's time for the infamous Porsche 918 Spyder to be recalled. Although it may not seem like much, Porsche has recalled its flagship hypercar due to an incorrect screw possibly being used in the seatbelt buckle. Yep, just one screw. Just one. But still, that one screw could be the difference between life and death, so it's well worth it to get this issue taken care of. So if you're lucky enough to be the owner of a Porsche 918 Spyder, then make sure to take it down to your local dealer to get this problem fixed. We talk about luck quite a lot in this show. I'm lucky enough to have car lovers like you watching, but I think I found somebody who qualifies to be the luckiest person on earth. At a German drag strip event, an Aventador SV Roadster is ready to face off in a drag race against a Chevrolet Corvette C7. But right before the light turns green for the cars to go, this cameraman just needs one last angle. And then bam, they shoot off, and this cameraman barely avoids being taken down by this 750 horsepower monster. The SV driver does swerve at the beginning and it looks as though he does have launch control engaged, and yet he still managed to win the drag race after all that drama in the beginning. I think the lesson to be learned here is to never ever jump in front of a car that's preparing itself to participate in a drag race. Thank you all so much for watching another episode of This Week in Cars, and make sure to tune in again next Sunday for another update on news in the car world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. This has been Jake, and drive safe.